Welcome back. Goa Minerals Ore Exporters Association has requested central government to withdraw export duty on low grade of iron ore. Association stated that export duty on Goan iron ore has brought loss to the mining industry. It also affected revenue of the state and central government. Association has asked the Finance Minister Arun Jaitley to consider their request to generate income and employment in Goa. During budget, central government has not cut down export duty on low iron ore even after the request from state government. Mopa farmers and Goans for Dabolim only have demanded a high-level independent inquiry to probe role of officers who are involved in Mopa Greenfield Airport project. The activist will challenge environment clearance to Mopa Airport if it is issued by the Ministry of Environment and Forests. EIA report was submitted to Goa government after expiry of validity of the term of references for Mopa. On basis of EIA report, government officials along with State Pollution Control Board conducted public hearing on Mopa Airport.
On 22nd August 2014, the Ministry of Environment and Forest had clearly instructed Goa government that validity of terms of references for Mopa Airport has been expired. Knowing the fact, Directorate of Civil Aviation submitted Environment Impact Assessment Report to the Goa State Pollution Control Board. On the basis of EIA report, North Goa Collector and Pollution Control Board had conducted public hearing on Mopa Airport project. Mopa farmers and Goans for Daboli only demanded inquiry into whole incident.
Validity of terms of reference 31st of May 2014 संपले आणि त्या उपरांत a public hearing केला ते illegal म्हणटोच we the Goans for Daboli only demand that these officers, the chairperson of pollution board and the collector should submit their resignation immediately.
This is intentional on behalf of the officials, and we fear there is a nexus of very powerful vested interests. We believe in speculation with land who are behind all of this, and we demand an inquiry to be lodged at the highest level. MOF will decide. If MOF decides against us, we will definitely go to the court.
Farmers will file cases against government authorities involved in Mopa Airport project.
जे पै कितें चलयल्लें सगळे सरकारान आनी जे पै तेजो तो रिपोर्ट आसता पळय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरमेंट एंड फॉरेस्ट त्या रिपोर्टा प्रमाणे तो रिपोर्टाचो जी व्हॅलिडिटी आसता पळय ती 2014 मे म्हयन्यान सोंपले आनी तेच्या उपरांत जे प्रोसिजर जाले ते सगळे इलिगल जाल्यात. लँड एक्वायर ऑफिसर, कलेक्टर, सरकार, सेक्रेटरी ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू अशा सगळ्यांचेर आमी नावान केस फायल करता. तेन्ना
Reporter Mahesh Khadi and Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Vasco police has filed a charge sheet in the Naptha pipeline blast case after 4 years. Naptha pipeline had burst on 20th August 2011. In the charge sheet, police has named 8 officials of Zuari Industries Oil Tanking Limited and National Highway Authority of India as accused. In August 2011, Naptha pipeline had burst due to leakage. 5 persons had died in the blast.
Vasco police on Tuesday finally filed a charge sheet in the 4-year-old Naptha pipeline blast case. Vasco police in the charge sheet has concluded that blast occurred due to negligence of Zuari Industries Oil Tanking Limited and National Highway Authority of India officials.
A charge sheet in Naptha case wherein we have charge sheeted 8 persons in this case, 3 KMC officials, 1 pipeline operator and 4 ZIOL officials.
On 19th August 2011, Naptha pipeline had caught fire, resulting in death of 5 persons at Mangor Hill Highway in Vasco. This fire took 7 hours to douse off, and within 2 hours, another fire broke out in the 700 meters long Nala at Daktale on 20th August 2011 morning. This horrible incident had taken the life of total 5 persons, including a newly married naval couple, namely SS Das and Swati Das. Other victims were Shubham and Dipesh Paliyekar and Kuyaram Haira. Reporter Mukesh Kumar and Dishan Parab for Prudent.
More than 250 workers staged protest outside Wallace Pharmaceuticals Private Limited at Kurti, Ponda on Tuesday. They claim that company management refused to let them in company premises during their duty hours. Workers claim that the treatment is due to workers' demand of hike in salaries and canteen facility. They have demanded justice.
This was the scene outside Wallace Pharmaceuticals at Kurti Ponda on Tuesday. More than 250 workers gathered outside the company protesting against the management of the company. They complained of harassment by the management. Some of the workers complained that this action is initiated against them as workers pressed for canteen facility and hike in salaries.
आज कंपनीन इल्लिगली जो आसा कंपनीक लॉक मारला आणि वर्करांकडे अंडरटेकिंग घेवपाचो प्रयत्न करता की आमी जे कितें आसा ते व्यवस्थित काम करतले मॅनेजमेंट सांगता त्या पद्दतीन काम करतले आणि ताका लागून सगळे वर्कर भायर उबे रावल्ले आसा युनियनाचे अशें म्हणणें आसा की अशें कसलेच अंडरटेकिंग वर्कर दिवपाना कित्याक ऑलरेडी सेटलमेंट सायन जाल्लो आसा आनी सेटलमेंट जो आसा तो मॅनेजमेंटान कंप्लाय करचो आसा दुसरी गजाल अशी आसा की फाटल्या 2 वर्सां जाली आमचो सेटलमेंट पेंडींग आसा आनी मॅनेजमेंट जी आसा ते आमचे कडेन सेटलमेंट सायन करपाक रेडी ना सो इमिजिएटली तो सेटलमेंट सायन करचो किंवा अनरेस्ट जो आसा तो अनरेस्ट ताका लागून आसा सेटलमेंट सायन करना म्हणून आसा आनी अननेसेसरी जे मॅनेजमेंट आसा त्या वर्करांक हॅरेस करता म्हणून हो प्रॉब्लम जो आसा तो निर्माण जाल्लो आसा
3 वर्स 3.5 वर्सांनी आणि कितें फॅसिलिटी आसता आमगेले पळय भितर कॅन्टीन अलावन्स आसता विडिए हे जायते आसता कितें 3 वर्सां जाली पेंडींग 3.5 वर्सां जाली पेंडींग 36 मंथ्स जालो.
We were not allowed to enter the company premises for management's stake. There are about 170 workers working on contract basis in this company. The future of these workers is at stake as of now. Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Thousands of Christians carried out penitential peace rally at Vasco on Monday. The rally condemned the vandalism of churches in Delhi and Mangalore, besides the controversial remarks by RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat and VHP leaders against Mother Teresa. People in rally expressed despair over the Catholic MLAs in Goa failing to speak out against the atrocities on Christian institutions.
Parishioners from 9 parishes consisting of Kortali, Sankwal, Chikali, Bogmalo, St. Jacinto Island, Baina, Destero and Harbour participated in the peace rally and raised their voices in protest against the atrocities faced by Christians in Delhi, Mangalore and the statements against Mother Teresa. They strongly condemned the silence of Catholic MLAs in Goa.
Baba, in a protest to show that we are minorities being attacked everywhere. So it's a humble request to our government to tell that, see that you safeguard the constitutional right of our people. Take like we rally called so that they may realize something and give due justice for our people.
रॅली काढून आमी फक्त हें सांगूंक सोदता जें कितें वायट चलता आमच्या भारतान ताचेर आमी निशेध मारता अदीक करून धर्मा आड धर्माचेर लोक पळय उठून एके भाशेन लोकांक हुस्कायता आनी आड वीक कशें ओंपता दुसऱ्या धर्माच्या मनशां वयर तें आनी जें कितें इगोर्ज्यो फोडटात आनी मोडटात दुसऱ्या धर्माच्या मनशांचे वस्तू मोडटात तांचेर आमी आयज एके भाशेन निशेध मारता प्रोटेस्ट.
Mohan Bhagwat, the chief of Rashtriya Swamasevak Sangh, had reportedly commented that converting people to Christianity was the main objective behind Mother Teresa's service to the poor. This statement by RSS chief is condemned by Catholic community and like-minded people throughout the country. Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.